union was a big deal in Ashutosh College. Okay, right now it does not. After growing up, being an adult, I really thought this is going some other way. She literally threatened us that guys, welcome to one more video. So this is a story time video and I'm gonna do it in Bengali because বাংলাতে যে ইমোশনগুলো আমার বেরোবে সেগুলো হিন্দিতে বেরোবে না আর yes, you read the title right. I met an actual Tiny. She was indeed a Tiny. Anyway, so let's start from my college. So I started off with my college from Ashutosh College. I was doing mass communication. So like any other student, like any other kid, I started doing mass comm. So like any other kid, I took an admission in Ashutosh College. অনেক কিছু করে because my cutoff was, not my cutoff. Ashutosh College's mass comm cutoff was above 80% or something, 85%. I don't know, don't remember. So I took an admission somehow. তখনকার দিনে union was a big thing. Okay, I'm talking about some around 2016, 17. So yeah. And at that time, union was a big deal in Ashutosh College. Okay, right now it does not exist that much, probably not at all, because তখনকার দিনে সব ছেলেমেয়েরা, সব বাচ্চারা, সব আমার বন্ধু বান্ধব and so many people, most of them were like mostly they were like dada 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 didi didi didi. So this used to happen. So now what happened is, স্কুলে আমি তো কোনো পড়াশোনা করতাম না, as usual কলেজও করিনি, so does not make any sense, right? So যে পড়াশোনাটা করতাম সেটা মোস্টলি টিউশনে করতাম. So মাস কম নেওয়ার পর most of the students were clueless যে কার কাছে পড়বে, and we all were like we need a good teacher. So somehow I discovered, me and I think two of my friends discovered about this teacher যে একজন খুব বড়, actually she's probably a big professor of some other college, and উনি মাস কমেরই টিচার, কোনো গভর্নমেন্ট কলেজের উনি টিচার. তো আমরা ওনার কাছে ভর্তি হই as usual, and this is probably gonna sound really weird because উনি প্রথম আমার লাইফের টিচার যিনি প্রত্যেক সপ্তাহে she will remind you of her tuition fees. So she is always like, আচ্ছা আমার টিউশন ফিসটা বাকি আছে, ওটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও. ও আমার টিউশন ফিসটা বাকি আছে, ওটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও. So every week she's like this alarm clock which is like আমার tuition fees. And we used to feel like, oh my god, is she really like serious? She like teaches somewhere, she earns quite a good lot of money, and she has a huge batch of students, like amader batcher por batch she used to give tuitions to. And we were very shocked. How can she be like this? Like always asking for money. We were like, okay, you know what, anyway. And she had this image যে উনি ভগবান, উনি যা পড়াবেন সেই সব কিছু হচ্ছে একদম everything is gonna come on the paper, and if you study with her, if you take tuitions from her, you are definitely gonna probably top or come on a rank. Now comes me. So আমি না জীবনে স্কুলে র্যাঙ্ক করেছি, টপ তো দূরের কথা. So she come, and I have always been that student who is like a last bencher, doesn't know what she's doing, and I'll study just 1 week or 10 days before my exam and I'll pass. So there comes cut to me, and she's like and she used to take a lot of exams. তো উনি এক্সাম নিচ্ছেন আর আমি মোস্টলি পড়ে যাইনি, খুব একটা পড়ে যাচ্ছি না, and she's continuously calling my mother. She's continuously calling parents. Whoever is not probably পড়ে যায়নি বা সেরকম কিছু, she's calling the parents. She's calling the parents. And not just calling, you know. So when you are an adult, like a 18, 19-year-old kid, it's really weird if somebody keeps on calling your parent and they are like, you know, probably a teacher who is calling your parent and saying, আপনার ছেলে মেয়ে পড়াশোনা করছে না, ওরা পাশ করবে না, ওদের কোনো ইচ্ছা নেই, and whatever. And I used to find it really weird. Ki, why is somebody doing like this? Like, is she mad? Fine. So she does this, you know, she has harassed me, not just me, but a lot of students. Now comes to one day, you know, as usual, as a kid, as a teenager, as usual, we bunked, you know, tuitions. So one day, me and my friend bunked the tuition. We were like, you know, let it go, we will not go today. And guess what? She happens to call my mother. So this actually has been happening to me since school days because my mother has been like this, okay? আমার মা সবাইকে কল করবে, জিজ্ঞেস করবে আমার মেয়ে গেছে কিনা, এটা করছে কিনা, ওটা করছে কিনা, and whatever. And then I used to suffer, ki, why are you doing this? Then when I went to college, I thought, okay, now she'll not do this. My mother actually stopped it for especially for tuitions because she thought, you know, she knows how to study, she knows what to do. She will not do this now. So now this woman, she is continuously calling my mother. She's calling somebody else's mother. She's doing this. I don't know for what. मतलब अपनी चान की boss. Finally, she calls my mother and she finds out যে আমি টিউশন বলে বেরিয়েছি, বাট আমি টিউশনে যাইনি. Now my mother obviously till that time have sensed that something is off with this woman. So she, you know, my mother, she tells me that, you know, ki, you know, if it's not working, maybe you should just leave her, like change the teacher or maybe do something, you know, just don't have to go. ততদিনেও আমি গিভ আপ করিনি বিকজ সামওয়্যার, সো দিস টিচার বেসিক্যালি উনি কি করতেন, উনি স্টুডেন্টসদের মাথায় প্রচণ্ড ফিয়ার ভরতেন যে তুমি যদি আমার কাছে না পড়ো তুমি সার্ভাইভ করতে পারবে না, তুমি যদি আমার কাছে না পড়ো তুমি পাস করতে পারবে না. শি ইউজ টু ডু দ্যাট. And I have been always a rebel. Like, for me, if somebody says you can't do this, I am on the road to actually do that or make it possible, no matter what, except going to moon. So I am that person. So আমি যখনই এটা বুঝতে পেরেছিলাম, I sensed it, she's trying to do that. I felt really weird. I was like, dude, why are you doing this? Like, why? Like, all my life, you know, আমি টিচার্সদের কাছে টিউশন করেছি. I've been with the best of teachers. And আমি টিউশনেই পড়াশোনা করেছি, অ্যাকচুয়ালি স্কুলে আমি কিচ্ছু করিনি. So we took notes, we read, we gave exams, whatever. Nobody did this. So after, you know, growing up, being an adult, I really thought this is going some other way. She used to actually call up parents, harass them, tell them rubbish about everybody's kid. She used to do that. She was one teacher that I saw. She used to literally gossip about some girl, maybe she's going out with someone, some boy from the tuition, maybe he's going out with someone. She would literally gossip about that you know, person. She would literally ask যে ও আজকে কোথায় গেছিল, ও আচ্ছা ও এখন ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে. And I used to be like, are you serious? Are you really serious? So I was like, dude, I can't take this women. So it was almost like we were close to second year, and till second year আমি কিছুভাবে সার্ভাইভ করছিলাম ওনার কাছে. So since second year what happened is আমাদের সবার একটা গ্রুপ থাকতো, like tuition group, when we, you know, grew up. So in this tuitions আমাদের একটা গ্রুপ থাকতো. So we had this group as usual. Why a group that obviously discuss করতো and all of that, and this group probably did not have the teacher. So one group there was to be teacher, একজন একটা গ্রুপ থাকতো যেটাতে টিচার আছে, একটা গ্রুপ থাকতো যেটাতে টিচার নেই. So I think what happened is probably we were obviously some of us were discussing about her nature, her behavior, and we were like completely pissed ki উনি কি করে এটা করতে পারেন, উনি প্রচন্ড বাজে, উনি নিজেকে কি ভাবেন. And me being me, the rowdy, I literally, had a full-on conversation. I lectured on the voice note saying about how beautiful my life was with all the teachers I had in my life. Like literally, I said ki, আমি এত ভালো টিচার্সদের সাথে পড়েছি, they have taught me and they have skilled me, they have gave me so many values, and this teacher, she's bullshit, she does not know, she says, she gossips about people, I just don't care. And probably I said something like she's a whatever. So what happened is, I think somewhere there was this another girl in the class. Probably she was also harassed by that teacher, by the way. She thought she can take this up and go to that teacher and basically open all of our polls. Okay, she thought ki she would gonna take this case to her and she's gonna say ki dekhun apnar name shobai mile erom bolche, and she's gonna take up this case. So this happens, and this teacher, basically, I still remember the day. I was in NSHM college for a fashion show. It was a fun day and all of that. And suddenly I hear my best friend telling me, ki, bro, there's a message in the group. She has heard our conversation. Somebody has leaked it. And she's telling you to get your parent and me to get my parent or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, dude, first of all, I am not gonna get my parent. Second, you also should not. Third, whoever is going to do that, please let them do. So obviously I did not, ask my parent to go. In fact, my mother did not go herself. She said, you know what, let it be. She's a pain in the ass, literally. এরপর উনি যেটা করেন, যে উনি একজন প্রফেসর হয়ে, আমি আজকে এটা বলছি, আই এম নট টেকিং হার নেম, বাট আই শুড প্রবাবলি, বাট উনি একজন প্রফেসর হয়ে সব স্টুডেন্টদের উনি থ্রেট করেছিলেন. উনি লিটারালি she threatened all of us that she's gonna fail us on purpose, because she was one of the teachers to check for the final exams. She literally threatened us that I'm gonna fail you guys on purpose, you guys don't know me and all of that. And we were like, dude, apni kotata frustrated. So I was like, are you serious? Are you a teacher? Do you think you really should be a teacher? Like, you have done that? Really? Anyway, so this happens. I do not go. Now I'm gonna tell you कि हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं, and that's me. Because like anybody else, a lot of the people did not leave her, by the way. They went with their parents, they got harassed, they heard so many shit about themselves, still was there. Because I tell you, because of the fear she put in everybody's head, that she's gonna make them, pass. Without her, they cannot pass or whatever. Without her, no. Oh, she created, she literally glorified her notes in such a way that everybody got very scared. However, I did not go to her tuition again, and onari notes, by the way, অনেকবার পড়েওছি, because some of the students shared me her notes and I wrote my own notes and I passed with great marks. So here's the deal, Miss Daini, I passed with great marks. And you know what? The fun part, যখন আমাদের ফাইনাল এক্সামসের ভাইভা হয়েছিল, you know what I saw? I went to her college. And you know what? Who was taking the Viva exams? It was her! Yes, it was her. So she literally harassed me over there also. But, as I said, as I said, हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं, and it's me. So, she actually thought, she gave us 3 topics, okay? some random shit about, you read as a journalist or say as a journalist or whatever. And she thought that a specific topic that she gave, and she gave us 5-6 minutes to prepare for that, and she thought, if I ask her about this topic, she's not gonna answer it. She cannot answer it. Because why? She's a girl. She cannot know it. And me being me, she's so predictable, so dumb. She thought, I'm not gonna prepare for that. I'm gonna prepare for something else. তো আমি ওই তিনটে টপিকের মধ্যে তিনটেই প্রিপেয়ার করলাম within 6 minutes, but mostly the difficult one, because I knew it. She's gonna ask me that. And she did. So anyway, passed the Viva exam. She did not bring anything up over there, but obviously she purposely tried to pull me down. She couldn't, and that's it. I passed with great marks and she couldn't do anything. Sorry, Daini. So yeah, that's how I met a Daini, guys, in college. And fortunately, I did not get to see her again. Thank God for that. And whoever, যারা ওনার কাছে এখনো পড়ছো বা পড়ো বা পড়ার কথা ভাবছো, please be aware. And trust me, guys, there's nothing like you cannot pass any মানে without her notes or anything. এরকম কিছু হতে পারে না। যদি আমি করতে পারি, you guys can. So please study hard. You're gonna do it. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. That's it. It's a Bangla storytelling video. It's the trend. I'm just doing it. I'm saying real incidents of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna come up with more such amazing stories. Till then, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel.